Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. Okay guys, today I am making goulash, an old-fashioned goulash. That's right, this recipe is an oldie but goodie. It is quick and easy, delicious and comforting, and it is all made in one skillet. And those are my favorite kind of meals, especially on busy weeknights. Now this recipe only uses just a few basic ingredients, so let me go over those with you. So you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 cups of beef broth, 1 cup of elbow macaroni. You will need 1 small onion that I will dice, 2 garlic cloves, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme with 2 bay leaves, and then some salt and pepper. To a large skillet, I'm going to add my ground beef. I'm also going to add my onion that I have diced. And I'm going to mince the garlic cloves using my garlic press. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and add my seasonings. I'm going to give a nice big pinch of salt, a couple pinches, and black pepper. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add my cans of tomatoes. My Worcestershire sauce. The elbow macaroni. And the beef broth. Then I'm just going to cover this and let this cook for about 20 minutes. All right, that is all there is to it. So easy, goulash. And yes, that is a fun word to say, goulash. And then if you want to make it just a little bit more special, you can add just a little bit of shredded cheddar cheese right to the top. Yep. So good. That is so good, and it's also a very inexpensive meal to make if you're looking for budget-friendly meals. This is a perfect one. Okay guys, thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a fantastic day, and as always, I will see you soon with more recipes.